Alright, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the cold avocado cucumber soup. I'm adding the ice. It calls for a half a cup, but like I said, I cut the recipe in half, so I only put a quarter cup of ice. So this is the last step, and I'll put it on crushed ice. All right, join me at the table. I'm gonna try this out. All right, here goes. Working out the kinks. All right, I'm gonna pour like maybe half of this and try it. It'll be nice and cold. Of course, you keep the extra in the fridge. So this is the end result. Can you see that? I'm going to put half of the radish, so as a garnish, the Sango Radish Microgreens. And it says to add maybe a little bit of olive oil for garnish. It's so good for your skin. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, so the recipe from Stop and Shop also says to put like cold diced ham. So I didn't have any, so here's a little bit of kielbasa and the taste. I'm trying to see the combo of cucumber and avocado. Oh, yum. I should open a restaurant. That's good, Stop and Shop. Thanks for sharing that recipe. Oh, it's so creamy. And I can taste the sour cream. I can imagine with the yogurt it'd be a little smoother and maybe sweeter. But big thumbs up, that's delicious. Try it.